Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to our garden. It's truly a joy to have you here today, where every single rose tells a beautiful story. Today, we're going to embark on a wonderful journey together, learning how to start a brand new chapter in your own garden. And guess what? We'll be using just a simple rose branch and some amazing natural ingredients. If you cherish roses as much as I do, and if you believe in the pure, simple beauty that nature offers, then this little adventure is absolutely for you. Let me show you how we'll do it. Let's get started. Step 1. Crafting our special nutrient solutions. First things first, we'll create two very special nutrient solutions right here in our kitchen. Our onion peel elixir. Find a fresh onion, preferably one that's organic and free from chemicals. Gently peel off the dry outer skin. This humble skin is a treasure trove of vitamin PP niacin, which is fantastic for encouraging roots to grow strong, and vitamin B, which helps those new buds form quickly and boosts shoot growth. Place a good handful of these onion skins into a clean glass jar. Pour in about 250 ml. Liters of clean, fresh water. Put a lid on the jar and let it sit quietly at room temperature for about 5 to 6 hours. This steeping time will create a lovely, light, nutrient-rich soap for our cutting. Our rice water boost. Take about 3 spoons of rice. Dilute it with another 250 milliliters of clean water and give it a good stir. Cover this mixture and let it stand for a few hours. This gives all those wonderful nutrients from the rice time to fully dissolve into the water, creating a rich environment that will really help our rose cuttings get established quickly. Step 2. Selecting and preparing our rose cutting. Now, let's turn our attention to our future rose bush. Choosing your branch, pick a healthy rose stem. While our example uses an orange rose, please feel free to choose any color that brings you joy. Very carefully, remove any protective leaves around the little bumps we call knot areas. These are magical spots where new seeds will sprout, so be extra gentle to avoid damaging any of those sleeping buds, giving it a gentle rub. After you've made your cut on the branch, take 1 clove of fresh garlic. You can mince it or just cut it in half. Gently rub this garlic onto the cut base of your branch. Garlic is truly amazing. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that will help prevent any infections or root rot. And it also encourages those roots to grow. Mixing our natural goodness. Before we mix, let's make sure our rice water is perfectly clean. Strain it thoroughly to remove any bits of rice or impurities. This makes our solution clear and easy for the plant to absorb. Now, combine that strained rice water with our onion peel water. Voila! We've created a fantastic natural nutrient solution that will give our cuttings the best possible start for rooting and growth. Step 3. Setting up our cozy growing home. Almost there. Now we prepare the perfect spot for our cutting. Soaking the coconut fiber. Grab a handful of coconut fiber or cocoa coir that's already been washed. Soak it in our special rice water and onion skin solution for about 5 minutes. This helps the coconut fiber absorb all those wonderful natural nutrients evenly, adding extra goodness to our growing environment and helping those young roots grow stronger and more stable. Placing in the container. After 5 minutes. Step 4. Planting our rose and creating its little nursery. This is where the magic really begins. Planting the cutting. Carefully insert your rose cutting into the coconut core. Make sure the very base of the branch is in direct contact with that nutrient-rich fiber layer, creating a humid haven. To give our cutting the best chance, we want to create a warm, humid environment. You can do this by placing a lid or even a large cup over the mouth of your container. This mini greenhouse effect will really help promote faster rooting. Place your container in a cool, well-lit spot, but be sure to keep it out of direct sunlight. Check the moisture daily. If your coconut fiber feels a bit dry, just add a little bit more of our premixed nutrient solution. Watching for roots and nurturing our new planto comes the exciting part, observing the growth and giving our new plant the care it needs. The root watch after about 10 to 14 days. Start checking for those exciting early signs of rooting. If you've used a clear cup, you might just see tiny white roots beginning to emerge near the base of your cutting. Look for healthy, white roots, free from any rot or fungus. You'll also notice that the branches are still green and not withered, and those lovely flower buds have developed beautifully, all thanks to the nutrients from our onion skin solution. Moving to a new home. Once you see those healthy roots, it's time to gently transplant your rose into a new pot with more nutrients. You can even continue using coconut fiber as part of your potting mix for these young plants. Daily care for your new rose. Remember to water your new plants twice a day. Once in the early morning and again in the late afternoon. Ideally, keep them in a shady spot initially to prevent too much water evaporation and to reduce stress on your growing rose. Good luck with your rose propagation journey. I truly hope your garden blooms beautifully with these new additions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with other plant lovers. Your support genuinely means so much to me and helps me continue creating more natural gardening content for you. Our channel name is HH Beauty Garden. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you all the very best in everything you do.